Have you ever watched someone speak English fluently and thought, why can't I speak like that? Maybe you have studied English for years, maybe you know hundreds of words, maybe you understand movies, videos, and even grammar rules. Yet, when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. You start translating from your mother tongue, you search for words, you worry about making mistakes, and before you say anything, the moment is already gone. The truth is, you're not struggling because you're bad at English. You're struggling because you have spent years learning English as a subject, not as a language. And think about it. Did you learn your first language by memorizing grammar rules? Your answer might be no, like not at all, we can just say. You learn it by listening, repeating, making mistakes, and using it every single day. English is no different. Many people spend hours studying grammar, but only a few minutes is actually speaking. It's like reading books about swimming and expecting to become a swimmer. You can know every rule and still be unable to speak confidently. Fluency doesn't come from knowing more. Fluency comes from using what you already know. So what should you do now? You might be wondering. Start small. Speak English for 5 minutes every day. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Instead of thinking in your native language and translating, try thinking directly in English. Read short passages aloud. Copy the pronunciation of native speakers and listen more than you study, I would just say. And most importantly, stop being afraid of making mistakes. Every fluent speaker you admire was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once mispronounced words, forgot vocabulary, and made embarrassing mistakes. The difference is that they kept going. And remember this, you don't become fluent when you stop making mistakes. I would just say one thing, you become fluent when mistakes stop stopping you, right? So don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today because fluency isn't built in one day. It's built one conversation at a time. If this video has been helpful for you, what you have to do, you just have to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section, right, what you feel about this video. And thanks for watching.